Everything begins with an illusion called control. We live in an age of data, algorithms, and glowing dashboards in our hands. We believe that if we are smart enough, patient enough, informed enough, we can bend the world to our will. But if you look closer, everything that truly matters, love, health, happiness, faith, exists beyond control. It's like trying to hold smoke in your hands. The tighter you squeeze, the faster it disappears. Part 1. The Mechanics of Illusion. Since childhood, we've been told, work hard, plan well, take charge of your destiny. But no one told us this. Destiny isn't a horse you can ride, it's the wind. You can move with it, but never master it. The modern man lives in a storm of predictions. Will the market rise tomorrow? Will that person stay or leave? Will next year's plan succeed? We build castles out of charts and models, and then lull ourselves into thinking we are safe. Morgan Housel reminds us, not in direct words but in spirit, that the world doesn't reward accuracy, it rewards adaptability. Part 2. The Weary Mind of Control. Look around. We are not exhausted because we do too much, but because we believe we must control everything. We try to manage people's emotions, project outcomes, and life's reactions. And when we fail, we shrink, believing we've made a mistake. But the mistake lies elsewhere. We treat life as an equation, when it is, in fact, a rainfall. And rain doesn't follow commands. It falls when it's time to fall. Part 3. The Truth About Freedom. Only when we stop trying to hold on do we finally begin to grasp. That's life's paradox. Those who understand the limits of control are the ones who walk freely. They do not fear chaos. They recognize it as the heartbeat of existence. An investor cannot control the market, but he can master his greed. A father cannot control his child, but he can learn to listen. A person cannot control the future, but can choose how to walk in the present. This world was never meant to be gripped tightly, but to be journeyed with. Control is not about holding on. It's about knowing when to release. It's not about predicting every wave, but standing tall when the wave arrives. Picture life as water. The fearful one fights against the current, while the wise one floats and lets the river carry him forward. In Same as Ever, Morgan Housel doesn't tell us to surrender. He reveals a softer, sharper truth. Recognizing the limits of control is the beginning of wisdom.